Terecha. But anybody can make any. Do you have anything new? Okay.
No.
Lakshmi Om, Lakshmi Om, Lakshmi, Lakshmi Om. Lakshmi Om, Lakshmi Om.
Lakshmi Om.
Can you add something more?
Radha Om.
Anybody?
Radha.
Raise your hands.
Ahwan.
Radha.
Ahwan, yes, sir. What do you want to say?
Radha Om.
Wow, who's the king now? 1, 2, 3. Radha Om.
Radha Om. Radha Om.
Radha Om. Radha Om.
Radha Om.
Okay. So please add some more words like this. Thank you, Ahwan. Thank you. Let's make this song just double. We have how many lines here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make this line at least 10 lines. Okay? Do you want to say anything now? Devika, yes. Do you want to add?
Guru Om.
Add? Yes, Devika.
Guru Om.
Yeah, you
Guru Om.
Very good. Say. Who is this?
Guru Om. Guru Om.
One.
Guru
Devika.
Om.
1, 2, 3. Devika, say again. 1, 2, 3.
Guru Om. Guru Om. Guru
Guru Om. Guru Om. Very good, Devika. Okay, let's make this song minimum 10 lines. Thank you. Ready? Let's go further. Let's go further. Let's sing together to save our time. 1, 2, 3.
Shanti Kahani Sana Biru
Shanti Kahani
Sana Biru Haru Fulne Chapul Viksabai Sahas Ko Hanima Thulo Somre Jana Ko Iu Khani Sani Deu Akasha
Namaskar. Together. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Namaskar. Her people Karina Namaskar. Namaskar.
Unity.
Atma
Ekata.
Unity of world.
Unity of world. Unity.
Hey, I like unity.
Hey!
I like feet.
Amalai pranam.
सूर्य प्रसाद
मेरो प्रणाम
नेपालीमा
साथी
ईश्वरलाई प्रणाम ईश्वरलाई प्रणाम
ईश्वरलाई प्रणाम
गुरुलाई भन्न देऊ त्यसपछि हामी भनौँ गुरुसँग है
थोरै गाह्रो छ
बच्चाहरूले यो गीतको प्र्याक्टिस गर्ने र लास्ट डे सबैको गीत रेकर्ड गर्ने जुन हुन्छ उसको सिंगल रेकर्ड पनि गर्नु पर्ला त्यसलाई ग्लोबल गर्नु पर्ला one who can sing beautifully हैन he will get chance she will get chance for special recording that you can make global okay रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम मति देव भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा
रघुपति राघव राजा सबलाई
of Nepal
भगवान
bhajans. I know many bhajans. I know many kirtan. I know many songs. Okay. Khulja jum jum.
Zoom.
What is the new game today? Samrat uncle, what is the new game today?
Okay, number
Racing roots, interesting.
game is
Here are parents.
can somebody tell me where your parents came from?
Tell 5 good things about that place. Nepal.
Somebody tell me where your parents came from?
No, Mogora.
Your game about listen first. Listen first.
Us.
Can somebody raise a hand and tell me where your parents came from? Yes, Suhana.
Nepal.
Nepal, I know, but where in Nepal?
Nuwakot.
No good. Wow.
Ivana, yes.
Nepal.
Yeah. From where in Nepal?
Nepal, Japan.
Ah.
Oh, good. Next, Yasna.
Nepal, Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Very good.
Ah.
Iris.
Oh, my parents, they come from Chiton.
Good.
Nepalima babu, Nepalima. Please try in Nepali, okay?
Chiton ma, mero parents Chiton ma.
Parents like के भन्ने नेपालीमा मेरो बुवा
Oh,
बुवा आमा भन्ने या अभिभावक भन्ने ल ओके अब सुब्रात
हो सर
हजुर
हो सर एकपटक के गर्नुस् भने कि अहिले यो क्वेशनको एन्सर कसले दिने भने कि the children who are from another place of America, not from Texas.
yeah. not okay outside from the Texas भन्दा बाहिरकोले can you please
We want to see the children's faces who are not from Texas, outside of Texas.
Okay, outside from Texas. Remisa, na? Remisa outside from Texas, right?
Everybody who are outside from Texas, please say.
Okay, first Remisa ल रेमिसाले भन्छन् ल
Eho Texas.
नमस्ते भन पहिले रेमिसा ल ओके गो अहेड
नमस्ते मेरो नाम रेमिसा केसी हो म म्यासाचुसेट्समा बस्छु
ओके प्यारेन्ट्सहरु कुन ठाउँबाट आएको नेपाल
काठमाडौँ अनि पोखरा
ओके
Wow, Remisa कस्तो राम्रो नेपाली बोलेको. Lovely, thank you, beta. Bless you, love you.
नेक्स्ट अरु को छ बाहिरबाट टेक्सास भन्दा बाहिर Can you please raise your hand?
सिद्धिदात्री, yes.
Okay, सिद्धिदात्री मिस्टर.
मेरो मामु चाहिँ नेपाल सिरामा बोल्नुभएको.
सिद्धिदात्रीले चाहिँ पहिले सबै साथीहरुलाई नमस्ते भन्ने आफ्नो नाम भनेर त्यसपछि भन्न त सानो.
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम सिद्धिदात्री बिष्ट हो. मेरो मामु चाहिँ सिरा नेपाल सिरामा बोल्नुभएको.
नेपालको सिरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिल्लाबाट. ओके, गुड.
Very good. अनि तिमी अहिले कहाँ बस्छौ?
कुन ठाउँबाट? अमेरिकाको.
अमेरिकाको अस्टिनबाट.
Austin, very good. Thank you. डालसदेखि बाहिरका बच्चाहरू, thank you. डालसदेखि बाहिरका बच्चाहरू, please introduce yourself and tell you about the parents.
डालस भन्दा बाहिर, कुसाग्र पनि डालस भन्दा बाहिर हो. ओके.
Okay, कुसाग्रजी बोलो. कुसाग्रजी बोलो.
Introduce yourself and your parent too. कुसाग्र नमस्ते भन्ने पहिले सबैलाई. नमस्ते भन्ने प्यारेन्टहरु नेपालबाट कुन ठाउँबाट आएको. ओके, कुन ठाउँमा बस्छ कुसाग्र यहाँ? अमेरिका. अमेरिकाको कुन ठाउँमा बस्छ टेक्सासको?
म टेक्सास बस्छ. मलाई बाहिरको टेक्सास.
I am big boy Texas man.
ओके,
मलाई
श्रवणमा बस्ने. ओके, ड्याडीको
युगाले के भन्न खोजेको? युगा, do you want to say anything? अरु को छ बाहिरबाट आएको बच्चा?
एनिस
डालसदेखि बाहिरको बच्चा. Yes.
डालस भन्दा बाहिर.
yes, tell me.
एनिस तिवारी भन बाबु भन.
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम इनिस तिवारी हो. म लङभ्यू टेक्सासमा बस्छु.
मम्मी ड्याडीहरु नेपालबाट कुन ठाउँबाट? कुन ठाउँ रे? नेपालको घर कहाँ हो? नेपाल घर. ओके,
ओके. भोज सर, भोलि एकपटक तपाईले डालसदेखि बाहिरका बच्चाहरूको लिस्ट हेरेर परिचय गराइदिनु पर्ला.
हुन्छ.
Children who are from other places, not from Dallas, they will introduce themselves by tomorrow program.
I'm from UNIF.
Okay, so the homework, find out where your parents came from in Nepal. Your mother, where does she come from? Your father, where does he come from? And also find out 5 good natural things about that place, cultural about that place, and historical places at that place. Okay, so you need to find out 5 natural, cultural, and historical things about that place.
5 or minimum 5.
राइट डाउन गर है. यो तिमीहरुको असाइनमेन्ट हो. प्लिज राइट डाउन.
Can you say anybody? Anybody can say anything about natural, cultural, historical thing about your place? About your parents' place?
Just write down the name, like a 5 cultural thing,
कसैले भन्न सक्छ
5 natural.
कसैले भन्न सक्छ
कसैले एउटा भन न ल, एउटा भन त। कोले भन्छ ल, एउटा एक्जाम्पल ल कोले भन्छ।
अभिक can you say
ओके, न्युजाले भन्दैछ, न्युजाले ल न्युजाले भन्यो।
ठाउँको नाम भन
ओके, नेपालको कुन ठाउँबाट आएका मम्मी ड्याडीहरू पहिले त्यो ठाउँको नाम भन्ने, फादरको र मदरको दुईटैको भन्ने, त्यसपछि अनि एउटा नेचुरल, एउटा कल्चरल, एउटा हिस्टोरिकल त्यहाँको चाहिँ।
हरि अप
अरे फास्ट
नेपाल गोर्खाबाट आयो।
ओके, गोर्खामा के छ हिस्टोरिकल? गोर्खा दरबार थाहा छ? गोर्खामा गोर्खा दरबार छ। ओके, फाइन्ड आउट।
भेरी गुड
गुड। सुहानाले भन्नु खोजेको छ।
नुवाकोट दरबार।
वाह, गुड जब सुहाना।
Moses, do you want to say
No.
ल अब यो तिमीहरूले भोलि
Moses, you are from Chitwan. Chitwan is famous.
Yes, Chitwan and Kathmandu.
Nebika want to say
No,
something?
नेविका अधिकारीले भन्दैछन्। ल नेविका भन छोरी।
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम नेविका हो। मेरो आमा अनि बाबा ओखलढुङ्गामा
ओखलढुङ्गाबाट।
अनि ठुलो ढुङ्गा छ।
वाह, ओखलढुङ्गामा हो त नि ठुलो ढुङ्गा। मेरो प्यारो ओखलढुङ्गा।
Where great poet Siddhi Charan Shrestha was born.
ल भोलि लेखेर ल्याउने है त्यो। भोलि चाहिँ ओखलढुङ्गाको बारेमा लेखेर ल्याउनु पर्छ। 5 नेचुरल, 5 कल्चरल, 5 हिस्टोरिकल थिङ ओखलढुङ्गाको। वाह, एउटा त त्यो ठुलो ढुङ्गा नै भयो। गजब, गुड।
The last
कसैले?
is Suhara.
सुहारा, गो अहेड सुहारा।
उसको म्युट भइरहेछ।
नयाँ बच्चा कोही छ भने हामी उनलाई सुन्न चाहन्छौँ। नयाँ ठाउँका डलासदेखि बाहिरका कोही छन् भने we want to listen to them.
यस।
Okay, Suhara.
नमस्ते।
ओके, नमस्ते सुहारा।
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम सुहारलाम छैन। मेरो बाबा चाहिँ हेटौडाबाट आएको हो।
हेटौडा के को लागि फेमस छ? गो अहेड।
शहीद स्मारक।
शहीद स्मारक एउटा। गुड गुड। अरू पनि छ त्यहाँ, इन्डस्ट्रियल एरिया हो हेटौडा। धेरै छ, अब पत्ता लगाउने है धेरै। गुड गुड गुड, थ्याङ्क यू।
Love you, Suhara.
अब अरू कसले छ?
So,
उठाएको।
now everybody, you need to find out, talk to your parents, and this is your homework, that you need to find out 5 natural, cultural, and historical things about your parents' place. Okay?
र तिमीहरूले त्यसमा चाहिँ पिक्चरहरू पनि इन्टरनेटबाट खोज्न सक्छौ। वाट एभर यु गाइज लाइक। त्यहाँ चाहिँ त्यसको डिस्क्रिप्सन एकदमै राम्रो हो। मैले अघि देखाएको थिएँ, एकदम राम्रो बनाएर तिमीहरूले चाहिँ प्रेजेन्ट गर। तिमीहरूको होमवर्क चाहिँ राम्रो हुन सक्छ। मेबी द यु गाइज मेबी द लकी वान टु गेट द फर्स्ट प्राइज, आई थिङ्क सो।
Thank you. हामी from tomorrow, we would like to see the presentation of the students, children who are scholars. There are few children, they are quiet. We want to see their participation. Pratyush भन्ने बच्चाको मैले अहिलेसम्म बोलेको सुनेको छैन। यो SBS भनेको को हो? By number. You must have name, not number. That's wrong. You are breaking the rules.
प्रत्युषले त भन्छ, प्रत्युषले इंट्रोडक्सन देऊ
हैन। We want to see some new children who have participated the program. Aaron, where are you? Ashika, where are you? We want to listen you. Pratiksha ji, Orange ji, please. Saurabh, Yatra Gurung ji, Sonika ji, You all have to speak up. Everybody very happy. Thank you so much. Next time. Okay, let's go further. Khulja, zoom, zoom.
म त लास्ट ट्रेसिङ रुट्स गर्छु नि
के गर्छौ तिमी लास्टमा?
त्यो ट्रेसिङ रुट्स
हो ल ठीक छ तर तिम्रो त्यो नामै थाहा भएन नि यार गुरुजीलाई तिम्रो नाम मिलाउ न बाबु व्हाट इज दिस नेम
आफ्नो नाम लेख्ने बाबु त्यो त्यसको नेम नलेख है
यो लभली नेम
या
है
ओके म गर्छु म गरिराख्छु
your name has power Rose very good Rose भोज सर फर्स्ट डे को होमवर्क ले गरे कि गरेन फाइन्डिङ आउट द मिनिङ अफ देयर प्यारेन्ट्स नेम
गर्दैछन् गुरु केले पठाएको छ केले गरेछ हाम्रो चाहिँ वन्स अ वीक हामीलाई धेरै टाइम छैन त्यसैले वन्स अ वीक हामीले के गर्छौं भने बेस्ट होमवर्कहरु तिनीहरुलाई देखाउँछौं हाम्रो भोलिन्टियरहरुले गरिराछन् त्यहाँ चाहिँ अघि हजुरले भन्नुभयो दुई जना चाहिँ उनीहरु भोलिन्टियरले सपोर्ट गरिराछ हेल्प गरिराछन् एभ्रीबडीको हामीले प्राइज पनि दिन्छौं
फाइन्डिङ आउट द मिनिङ अफ योर प्यारेन्ट्स नेम ग्रान्ड प्यारेन्ट्स नेम मामा घरको बाजेहरु है सबैतिरको नेक्स्ट गेम
Okay, so something to think upon. Okay, so the first question is, do you tell your parents about your friends? How many of you tell your parents about?
Yes, I do.
Of course, I tell my parents about my friends.
yes
Good.
yes
So, do you spend time with your friends more than you should?
Yes.
Sometimes, one time I did it, but not that much.
I always do.
no just for school after school's over nothing else
Yeah. I guess at playtime, basically, sometimes I do it, but not like daily every single time.
Sometimes, okay? Sometimes.
I spend like
Okay.
Like birthday time,
please
birthday party times.
you children to speak up to participate
So, do you fight with your friends?
no coronavirus.
No.
Sometimes do.
I can't fight with my friends. Coronavirus.
No.
Who said yes?
No, I haven't.
You fight with the friends?
I don't fight with my friends, actually.
Of course I won't fight
Why
with
would
my
I fight with my
friends.
friend? My friend or my friend. You know, sometimes I fight with my
You
friend.
should not fight with your friends. Friends are friends. Okay? We should
When my
help-
friends are acting dumb, then I fight with them. When they say dumb things, I say no, that is bad. Don't say that.
At least that's fighting, right?
Like for the littlest things just because like whatever.
I don't fight physically. I fight verbally.
भर्बलले पनि फाइट गर्नुहुन्न बाबु राम्रो होइन गुरुले भन्नुभएको छ नि भर्बलले फाइट गर्नुहुन्न फाइट राम्रो होइन है
You are grounded by the floor, okay, miss?
You Gorni, मेरो friend.
You are being
When I
timed
say
out.
bad things, say Gorni. No sano criticism.
right is never right
Okay, the last question is, do you feel awkward in front of your friends at school?
No, why would I?
No, actually not.
Never do.
Insecure in
No.
front of your friends at school?
No, whatever person
I
it
guess.
is.
I don't feel because I don't know what's awkward there to be.
okay please join the hands you can raise hands if you like to answer भगवान कृष्ण को प्यारो साथी को नाम के हो
Ines.
नयाँ बच्चालाई चान्स दियो भगवान कृष्ण को प्यारो साथी को नाम के हो
Ines.
वा इभानाले कस्तो राम्रो गरी भनेको सुदामा रे ल
सुदामा very good one more
I thought it was
friend
Balaram.
सुदामा and
Balaram?
बलराम
बलराम त दाई हो बलराम त दाई हो
Hey, boy. Ram.
हैन हैन भगवान कृष्णको साथी सुदामा and Piyush, would you like to say
Ram.
Me.
Ram. I don't like.
would you like to say You like to answer?
Yes.
Anu. Bhai, please. भगवान
निजासले आन्सर दिएको छैन।
यासना, नया बच्चा, यासना।
Radhika.
भगवान यासना। Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much यासना। भगवान कृष्ण को साथी और को अर्जुन, भगवान राम को साथी को फ्रेंड्स। हनुमान, yes, another friend. भगवान राम को another friend.
Hanuman Subrit.
सुग्रीव है ना, सुदामा कृष्ण को। ओके, लिस्ट भगवान राम का फ्रेंड्सहरु को हुन्, यू कैन मेक अ लिस्ट। ओके, नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एवरीबॉडी join the hands, then only I will ask you last question. Ready? Last question, ready? गुरु को साथी को नाम के गुरुजी को साथी को नाम के
मलाई थाहा छैन।
Everyone.
गुरुजी को साथी को नाम के हो?
Everyone, good.
Ana. गुरुजी को
सबैजना
हो?
सबैजनाको नाम।
Everyone.
ओके, सुब्रत गुरुजी को साथी बन्ने?
Everybody, we are Guru को friend है।
और को गुरुजी को साथी बन्ने?
सबैजना।
किभाना बन्ने गुरुजी को साथी? और को बन्ने? और को बन्ने गुरुजी को साथी? Raise hands. गुरुजी को साथी, raise hands. गुरुजी को साथी बन्न गाह्रो छ। गुरुजी को साथी बन्न गाह्रो छ।
गुरुजी को साथी बन्न सक्छ तिनीहरू? झुट बोल्नुहुन्न। गुरुजी को साथी बन्नलाई झुट बोल्नुहुन्न। नम्बर 1, झुट बोल्छौ कि बोल्दैनौ त? बोल्दैकी मम्मी ड्याडीसँग। गुरु को साथी हुनुलाई त धेरै कुरा।
ए मेरो प्यारो साथी, तारा भोज सरले भनेको सुन, भन्नुस् भोज सर, गुरुजी को साथी, गुरुजीलाई धेरै साथी चाहिएको छ के? आई वान्ट मोर फ्रेन्ड्स।
गुरुजीलाई साथी चाहिएको छन्, को बन्न चाहनुहुन्छ। गुरुजीको साथी बन्नेले सबभन्दा पहिले गुरुलाई फलो गर्नु पर्यो। नम्बर 1, यु गाइज मस्ट फलो द गुरु। डोन्ट लाई, झुट बोल्ने हैन। अरु के गर्नु पर्छ? घरमा आफ्नो काम आफै, गुरुजी बिहानदेखि बेलुकासम्म आफ्नो काम आफै गर्नुहुन्छ। यु मस्ट
बी ऑनेस्ट।
ऑनेस्ट, आफ्नो काम आफै गर्ने। ऑनेस्ट एकदमै चाहिँ ड्याडी मम्मीको भनेको मान्ने, ऑनेस्ट हुने। अब ड्याडी मम्मी एभ्रीबडी को एकदमै झुट नबोल्ने, ऑनेस्ट हुने। अरु के हेल्पफुल, एकदम हेल्पफुल, राम्रो। अरु
joyful,
एकदम। अरु
cheerful,
I want more and more friends. I love you all.
gracious बुद्धिमान।
Those values. I want more friends.
Responsible.
Very quickly knowing our festivals. Very quickly तिहार लौ आयो है। पहिलो दिन तिहारको काग पूजा हो। पहिलो दिन दिन तिहारको कुकुर पूजा हो तेस्रो दिन गाई पूजा लक्ष्मी पूजा हो चौथो दिन तेस्रो दिन लक्ष्मी पूजा हो लक्ष्मी पूजा हो चौथो गोवर्धन पूजा हो चौथो गोवर्धन पूजा हो पाँचौं दिन भाइ रमाइलो पाँचौं दिन भाइ रमाइलो दिदी बहिनीको आशिष पाउने दिन यो कस्तो रमाइलो यार that day बहिनीले पनि दाइलाई आशीर्वाद दिने टीका लगाएर बहिनीले दाइलाई पनि आशीर्वाद दिने वाओ how powerful are our didi bahini I love my didi bahini so much I never fight with my didi and bahini I respect them so much I listen to them I follow them I never fight with my didi and bahini I never want to see them crying if my didi and if my bahini is crying I feel my heart is breaking because didi and bahini they bless us like a goddess Lakshmi. They bless us like a Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. Where बहिनीले दाइलाई पनि आशीर्वाद दिने blessing गर्ने. Let's go further. Truth, love, peace. Truth, love, peace. Selfless service and non-violence. Selfless service and non-violence. If you want to love, number one L, be loyal. Be very loyal. If you want to love your parents, your friends, your brother and sister, be very optimistic, positive. Be very optimistic. Number one L, very loyal to your parents, to your friends, to your family members, relatives. And O, very optimistic. And what could be V and E? That we will discuss. Please discuss with your parents. Please discuss with your parents what could be V, meaning of V, what could be meaning of E. What could be the best message to understand love and to practice love. Let's go further very quickly. Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda ko Jai. Swami Vivekananda ko Jai. Vivekananda went to meet many gurus all over India. And whenever he went to meet any great masters, great guru, he asked one question directly without wasting a minute. Have you seen God? Have you ever seen God? And many masters become slightly hesitated to answer him. They said, yes, but please come tomorrow, I will tell you. And someone says, yes, please read Gita, then you will understand. And someone says, please read Vedas, Upanishads, Ramayana, all the great books, Tripitaka, Agama Sutra, a Guru Granth Sahib, and okay, and if you will say, okay, please do some yoga, some dhyana. But Vivekananda, he was not satisfied. He was roaming around, going all the great places, great temples, great ashram, great world famous holy places, meeting great masters, asking everyone directly, have you ever seen God? Have you ever seen God? That time his name was Narendra Datta, and he was only around 19 years old, young boy. Only 19 years old, young boy. Finally, he reached to Calcutta, Dakshineshwar Mandir. He met Ram Krishna Paramhansa. He met Ram Krishna Paramhansa without saying proper namaste also, without touching feet properly, without wasting any moment, any minute, because he was very anxious to know the answer, ultimate answer. He just looked at the eyes of Ram Krishna Paramhansa. Then Narendra Datta, he said, क्या आपने ईश्वर को देखा है? क्या आपने ईश्वर को देखा है? Have you ever seen God? Ram Krishna Paramhansa smiled. Yes, my son. Yes, I have seen God. As you see me, as I see you, like that, I have seen God. And I can show you God. I can give you clear feeling of God. I can give you very deep realization of God. As I have seen, as I have realized, as I have seen, as I have realized, I can give you same realization to you. And you know, Narendra Datta becomes so impressed by this Ram Krishna Paramhansa, very simple, ordinary sadhu. When you look at him outside, very simple, very ordinary. Narendra Datta was in college, very brilliant, very intellectual, very smart, but he became very impressed by meeting this innocent Swami, Guru Ram Krishna Paramhansa. Then he became his disciple and his name was changed. He became world famous, Narendra Datta to Swami Vivekananda. And you know, when this Swami Vivekananda went to America, Chicago, to give a lecture in a program, Parliament of World Religions. When he stood over the stage with this kind of dress, monk's dress, when he recited, in that big hall of Parliament of World Religions in Chicago, America, everyone becomes silent. Pin drop silence. After that, Swami Vivekananda joined the hands, closed the eyes, remembered his Guru Ram Krishna Paramhansa. Then he smiled And he said first sentence that shook the entire people, entire audience who were attending the program, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Buddhists, Jain, Sikh, all the great intellectuals, professors. The first sentence, he said, everyone stood up. Everyone started clapping non-stop. Everyone started clapping non-stop. It says that it was 3 minutes clapping. Non-stop. And you know what he said? My dear sisters and brothers of America. My dear sisters and brothers of America. Everyone became spellbound. Everyone become hypnotized. Everyone becomes so much touched, moved by his words. Why? Because before that, all the speakers were saying, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. And all they were saying from here, from mind, ladies and gentlemen. But he said from the heart, my dear sisters and brothers of America. Thank you. Okay. Time, so please go to visit Chicago. And still there is a museum in Chicago. Still there is Vivekananda Center. Still there is that hall where Vivekananda had given lecture 125 years ago. Guruji has visited that place last year. So please go and you will see still the picture of Vivekananda. Right? Okay. Oh, everybody together to save our time. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya.
Om Asatoma Sadgamaya.
What does it say?
Mrityu
Bata Amritama
Paramatma Malailo Paramatma Malailo Om Shanti Nepal Amako हाम्रो नेपाली स्कुलको हाम्रो आमा बुवाको हजुरबुवाको गुरुहरूको साथीहरूको थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। हस्, धन्यवाद।
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद गुरुलाई, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। हामीलाई धेरै टाइम छैन आज है। आज हामीले अलिकता धेरै काम गर्न पाएनौँ है। भाइ बहिनीहरूको चाहिँ तिमीहरूले चाहिँ धेरै सिकेको हुनुपर्छ। गुरुलाई धेरै धेरै थ्याङ्क यू दिँदै अब आज हामीले अरू एक्टिभिटीहरू गर्न सक्दैनौँ किनभने हामीसँग 9 बजिसक्यो। अरू ठाउँको साथीहरू लाई हामीले बिदा गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। त्यो भएर अब नेक्स्ट भोलि चाहिँ तिमीहरूको एक्टिभिटीहरू ल्याएर भोलि चाहिँ आउँछौँ। भोलि तिमीहरूले आफ्नो एक्टिभिटीहरू भोलिलाई राख। आजलाई अब गुरुलाई चाहिँ थ्याङ्क यू दिँदै आजलाई सबैले एक्टिभली पार्टिसिपेसन गरेकोमा वी वुड लाइक टु थ्याङ्क्स अल आवर लभली किड्स फर योर एक्टिभ पार्टिसिपेसन। र गुरुलाई पनि एकदमै हार्डवर्कको लागि बिहानै एकदमै अर्ली इन द मर्निङ, नेपालमा त अर्ली नै छ, चिया पनि गुरुले नखाइकन हामीलाई बिहानैदेखि नै हामीलाई पढाउनु भयो। गुरुबाट वी लर्न लट है, हामीले धेरै सिक्यौँ। एभ्रीडे हामीले सिक्छौँ। आज यो हाम्रो सेकेन्ड डे हो, हामी धेरै सिक्छौँ। यो थर्ड डे हो हाम्रो। अब हाम्रो अझै 7 डेजहरु सिक्छौँ। ओके ल है त, थ्याङ्क यू सबैलाई, नमस्कार। सबैले सबैलाई नमस्कार गरौँ।
Bye, son. Bye.
Bye. इभाना को बहिनी, थ्याङ्क यू, ब्लेस यू। भोलि सबैलाई सुन्ने, संसारलाई सुन्ने, जेसिकालाई सुन्ने, प्रतीक्षालाई सुन्ने, यात्रा गुरुङलाई सुन्ने, वी वान्ट टु लिसन टु टुमरो, आशिकालाई सुन्ने। भोलि है नयाँ नयाँ बच्चालाई पनि सुन्न चाहन्छौँ हामीहरू। अलराइट, थ्याङ्क यू।